Well, hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I thought I would show you my mum bun and how I do that, because quite a few of you guys ask me how I do my mum bun, because I literally wear it constantly. So step one, I have pretty clean hair at the moment, but most of the time I do not. So in that case I whack in some dry shampoo so it's not too feral, and then I brush from the bottom and put it into a ponytail. And you can see how thick my hair is when I do this, it's crazy. I have two hair ties here. So you can just whack in one hair tie so you make a ponytail. Make a little pony, and look, yeah, I've got super thick hair. And then what I do is I just sort of do a light twist. So a very light twist, and then come around the hair tie that's holding it in place. Then I stop twisting. And then I just keep curling it around the hair that's currently there. And then sort of just work that end bit of hair in. Get the second hair tie. Just grab the bun and work that hair tie over the bun. And you just sort of pull it around till it's in a position that you're happy with. I think that's about right. Yeah, that's how I usually have it. And then these little bits, these wispy little annoying bits down the front here, I get some of my putty. So I just use the VO5 Rough It Up putty. And this is actually my hubby's putty, but whatever. Can't be bothered buying my own, I'm not doing that. You just get a little bit of the putty, work it into your hands, and you can do this with a little bit of water in your hands too. And just kind of smooth those annoying little bits away. It actually works heaps better when you have a little bit of water on hand, but I don't have the water in the bedroom, so we'll just have to use the putty. And there you have it. That is my go-to mum bun. So now for a sort of more thicker looking bun, it's a little bit of a cheat, and most people have a scrunchie. Almost everyone's got a scrunchie. So anyways, you pop your hair up into a ponytail, except this time, rather than using one of those hair-ridden hair ties to put up a ponytail, use the scrunchie. Okay, so get your hair into a pony and you pull the scrunchie over to tie the ponytail in place. And this is a special Locks My Lucy scrunchie. It's made of velvet, so it feels really nice in your hair. Okay, so now you've got the same thing. There's your ponytail, and you can either leave it like that or you can put it into the bun. And if you have quite thin hair, this is where you would get your brush and you'd tease that bit of the ponytail up and then curl it around the middle bit of your hair, like the ponytail bit. So now we grab our ponytail. I'm going to do a very little twist, and remember that's because I've got really thick hair, you don't have to do it like that. And you go around the scrunchie, and I've stopped curling it now, and just keep going around until you get that last bit of hair in place. And you get your hair tie, and I've just got one of the normal hair ties now, and then you pull that hair tie over the bun to hold the hair in place. And there you go. That is like way thicker. And then you just pull it around until you're happy with how it looks. So there you go. There's mum bun number 2 using a scrunchie. and that gives you a much thicker bun, and it's a bit of a hack. So if you're after a really thick bun but you don't want to use one of those donut rings, a scrunchie is going to be your friend. I've actually got another look that I do quite often too. It's with the fringy bits down the front. So it's essentially the same bun, but you kind of leave a little bit of a fringy thing happening around the front. So how I do that is you sort of lean your head forward so you can let those bits kind of fall forward. And then I don't really brush the back at all, because you sort of want that messy look with this one. And then you rough up the edges to get the fringe out. And then I don't do a ponytail here. I just twist the back, twist, 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 and then do the same kind of process, like I've got a ponytail there, like I've got a hair tie to wrap my hair around, but I don't. So then I just pull the hair tie over the top of that bun that doesn't have a hair tie already there. So that's the other way of doing a little bun, and that's way messier, and it gives you a little bit of a fringy thing. I actually really like that style, this way of doing it, but I very rarely have clean enough hair or straightened hair to be able to get the little fringy thing happening. But anyways, so there you go, mum bun 3 ways. I hope that helps. I failed to mention too what you can do with this particular mum bun as well. It's if your hair's not quite holding in a bun properly and you kind of need a little more volume here, you can actually use a clip just to go at the back here. And I would show you how to do that, but I can't even find a clip in the house, so there you go. Now if you would like to subscribe and like, that would be amazing. Your support really, really helps me grow my channel, and it gives me the motivation to keep putting things up. So if you could support us, that would be amazing. Hope that video helps, and I will see you again real soon. Mwah.